Let's envision two businesses. One's blossoming, the other's barely getting by. Ever pondered the reason? The answer is simpler than you think. It's budgeting, the secret ingredient for triumphant enterprises. Do you believe budgeting curtails growth? It's time to reconsider. In actuality, budgeting serves as a master key, unlocking the hidden potential of your business. So, are you set to sail on this financial voyage together? We're about to debunk myths, highlight the advantages, and demonstrate how budgeting can metamorphose a business from merely surviving to absolutely flourishing. Therefore, fasten your seatbelts as we launch this monetary odyssey together. Budgeting. Some see it as a rigid rulebook, others as a lifesaver, but why does it matter so much? Well, let's dive into it. You see, financial planning is to a business what a compass is to a hiker. It points you in the right direction. A budget, in essence, acts as a roadmap for success. It outlines the financial routes a business needs to take to reach its destination, profitability and growth. Now, there's a bit of a debate out there. Some folks view budgets as confining, like a straitjacket on their spending. On the other hand, others see budgets as liberating, providing the freedom to inform decisions without the constant worry of financial missteps. So, it's clear, a budget isn't just a piece of paper, it's a strategic tool. It's the financial GPS guides businesses through the twists and turns of the market, leading them towards a prosperous future. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more business insights. Ever tried navigating without a map? That's running a business without a budget. Now imagine you're an explorer, trekking the wild landscapes of entrepreneurship. Without a compass, you're just wandering, right? But don't despair, fellow trailblazer, because budgeting is your financial compass and it's about to become your best friend. Let's talk clarity. When you've got a budget, you've got a crystal ball. Well, not literally, but it's as close as you can get in the business world. With a budget, you can see where your money is coming from and where it's going. It's like having a bird's eye view of your financial landscape. Picture your income as a river flowing into your business. There are tributaries from sales, streams from investments, and occasional showers of grants. Budgeting allows you to categorize these income sources, understand their contribution, and plan for their ebbs and flows. After all, it's easier to paddle downstream when you know the strength of the current, isn't it? Now let's flip the coin and gaze at your expenses. Picture them as roads leading away from your business. Some are highways like rent, salaries, and utilities, which we'll call fixed expenses. Then there are the winding country roads of variable expenses like marketing and supplies, which can change with the seasons of your business. Budgeting is like having a detailed map of these roads. It allows you to see where your money is going and helps you decide which routes are worth the journey and which ones might need a detour. It's all about making informed decisions. So, fellow explorers, it's time to embrace the compass of budgeting. It's not about restricting your journey, but about giving you the clarity to navigate the exciting world of business with confidence. With a budget, you're not just wandering in the wilderness, hoping to stumble upon success. You're charting your course, making informed decisions, and setting sail towards your business goals. With a budget, you're the captain of your financial ship. Who doesn't want their business to grow? Well, your budget is your growth blueprint. Imagine your business as a ship and your budget as the captain, steering you towards your desired destination. It's the strategic allocation of resources that can help you achieve both short-term and long-term business goals. Let's start with the short-term goals. These could be anything from managing your inventory to launching a new marketing campaign or hiring temporary staff for the peak season. Here's where your budget comes into play. It helps you understand where you can allocate resources to achieve these goals without capsizing your financial ship. Now let's talk about long-term goals. These are the bigger fish in the sea. Think expanding operations, upgrading equipment, or implementing long-term marketing strategies. Again, your budget is your guiding star. It enables you to forecast your finances and plan for these significant investments. But the magic of budgeting doesn't stop there. It also helps you prioritize your spending. It's like having a financial compass pointing you towards the expenditures that will deliver the most bang for your buck. This could be investing more in a high-performing product line, hiring a new team member to fill a skills gap, or even cutting back on an underperforming marketing campaign. By making informed decisions about where to spend and where to save, you're not just keeping your business afloat, you're setting your sails for growth. And who knows, with your budget as your trusted captain, you might even discover uncharted territories of profitability and success. So next time you look at your budget, don't see it as a restrictive rulebook. Instead, see it as a map, guiding you towards your business goals and growth. It's an empowering tool that helps you navigate the sometimes stormy seas of business finance. And remember, every successful voyage starts with a well-planned route. So grab your budget, set your course, and prepare to sail towards business growth and success. So, a budget doesn't restrict your growth, it fuels it. Ever wonder where all your money went? A budget's got your back. Now let's dive into the fifth benefit of budgeting for a business: improved cash flow management and cost control. This is like having a crystal ball that can predict your financial future. Well, not exactly, but it's the closest thing we've got. First up, forecasting cash flow. This is the art of predicting future income and expenses. With a budget, you can anticipate peaks and troughs in your cash flow, allowing you to plan and strategize accordingly. Think of it as your trusty weather forecast for financial storms. You'll know when to save for a rainy day, or when it's safe to step out and splurge on that new piece of equipment. Next, we have identifying areas to cut back. Knowing your spending habits is like having a map of your financial landscape. You can spot the mountains of unnecessary costs and the valleys where you could potentially save. By tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and find ways to optimize costs without sacrificing quality. It's like going on a treasure hunt, but the treasure is your own money you didn't know you could save. Lastly, budgeting allows you to track progress and make adjustments. A budget isn't set in stone, it's more like a living, breathing entity that changes and evolves with your business. Regularly reviewing your budget allows you to course correct and make adjustments as needed. If a particular strategy isn't working, you can tweak your budget to better serve your business goals. It's like having a personal fitness trainer for your finances, pushing you to constantly improve and reach new heights. And don't worry, you don't need to be a math whiz to manage all this. There are plenty of accounting software and budgeting templates that can streamline the process and make your life easier. So with a budget, you're not just spending money, you're investing it wisely. Remember, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. So let your budget guide you to financial success. Want to impress investors and boost profits? Say hello to budgeting. This isn't just about counting pennies and dimes. It's about painting a clear financial picture that not only helps your business avoid unnecessary borrowing, but also paves the way for strategic investments that support growth. Think about it, when you're planning a road trip, you wouldn't just jump in the car and start driving, right? You'd plan your route, check your car's condition, maybe even pack a few snacks. Similarly, a robust budget helps you navigate the financial landscape of your business, reducing the risk of landing in the dreaded debt ditch. Now imagine you're an investor. Would you put your money on a horse that's just running wild, or one that's trained and has a clear path to the finish line? Exactly. A well-defined budget instills confidence in potential investors. It's like saying, "Hey, we know what we're doing." Remember, a well-planned budget is your business's best friend. So we've journeyed through the budgeting landscape and seen its power. It's like a financial compass, guiding businesses towards clear skies and away from stormy weather. Budgeting illuminates the path to financial clarity and informed decisions. It's the secret sauce to achieving business goals and fostering growth. With budgeting, you gain improved cash flow management and cost control, like a seasoned captain at the helm of a ship, steering it towards profitable shores. And let's not forget, a solid budgeting practice increases profitability and instills investor confidence. Now it's your turn to take the wheel. Start small, perhaps with a simple spreadsheet. Over time, consider investing in budgeting tools and software to streamline the process. Make budgeting a consistent habit, not just a once-in-a-blue-moon activity. Take control of business finances, start budgeting, and unlock your potential for growth. Remember, budgeting isn't a chore. It's a choice for success. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more informative and helpful content on the way. Don't miss out on your chance to gain financial clarity and business success. Stay tuned for more.